welcome back to Bike Future Hub, where we bring you the latest and most detailed reviews of the hottest motorcycles on the market. Today, we have something special for all the budget-conscious riders and daily commuters out there: a complete, in-depth review of the all-new 2025 Honda Shine 100. This motorcycle has long been a favorite among those who prioritize reliability, fuel efficiency, and affordability, and Honda has once again refined its formula to make it even better. The 2025 Honda Shine 100 continues the brand's legacy of simple, durable, and practical motorcycles. With its updated design, refined engine, and improved features, this bike is built for those who seek a no-nonsense, hassle-free riding experience. It is targeted at everyday commuters who need a lightweight, easy-to-maintain machine that offers excellent fuel economy while delivering the legendary reliability that Honda is known for. Let's start by taking a closer look at its design and exterior. The front end of the 2025 Honda Shine 100 has been slightly updated while maintaining its classic commuter-friendly styling. The headlamp unit has been refined with a sleeker look, offering improved visibility, and now features an LED setup for better illumination at night. The visor above the headlamp is designed aerodynamically, giving it a slight edge in terms of wind resistance. The front fender is well integrated with the rest of the body, complementing the overall styling. The telescopic forks at the front provide a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps efficiently while adding to the bike's sturdy appearance. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Honda Shine 100 retains its well-balanced and proportionate structure. The fuel tank features subtle yet elegant graphics that give the bike a fresh appeal without being too flashy. The single-piece seat is long and well-cushioned, providing ample comfort for both the rider and the pillion. Honda has paid special attention to ergonomics, ensuring that the seating position remains upright and natural, reducing strain on the rider during long commutes. The side panels seamlessly blend with the fuel tank and rear section, maintaining a neat and streamlined look. The exhaust design remains simple and practical, featuring a heat shield for added safety. The bike's alloy wheels add a premium touch while ensuring durability and strength for daily rides. At the rear, the 2025 Honda Shine 100 sports a neatly designed tail section that follows the brand's signature styling approach. The tail light is sharp and efficient, providing good visibility for other vehicles on the road. The grab rail is sturdy, giving the pillion a secure handhold while also serving as a practical element for attaching small luggage. The rear fender is designed to keep mud and water spray in check, making the bike more commuter-friendly in all weather conditions. The overall rear design complements the rest of the bike, maintaining a cohesive and well-put-together look. Now, let's dive into what powers this efficient commuter machine. The 2025 Honda Shine 100 is equipped with a refined 100cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers optimal performance for daily riding. Honda has tuned the engine to strike the perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency, ensuring that riders get the best of both worlds. With a smooth and linear power delivery, the engine makes city commuting effortless, allowing for quick acceleration and stop-and-go traffic. The fuel injection system enhances the bike's efficiency, ensuring consistent performance and better fuel economy. Honda's ISP, Enhanced Smart Power technology, is also integrated into the engine, reducing internal friction and optimizing power output. The engine is mated to a 4-speed gearbox, offering precise and smooth gear shifts that make riding this motorcycle a breeze. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Honda Shine 100 is designed to be a dependable workhorse. While it may not be the fastest bike on the road, it is built for effortless daily commuting, providing a comfortable and stress-free riding experience. The lightweight chassis ensures easy handling, allowing riders to maneuver through traffic with minimal effort. The suspension setup consists of telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, delivering a comfortable ride by absorbing road imperfections effectively. The braking system includes drum brakes on both ends, which offer adequate stopping power for urban riding conditions. The bike's stability and road grip are commendable, making it a reliable companion for everyday use. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 Shine 100 is its incredible fuel efficiency, with an expected mileage of around 65 to 70 km/l. making it one of the most economical choices in its segment. Honda has ensured that the 2025 Shine 100 remains one of the most budget-friendly motorcycles in its category. The pricing is kept competitive, catering to a wide audience who seek an affordable yet reliable commuting solution. The exact price may vary based on location and additional features, but it remains one of the most value-for-money offerings in the market. Additionally, Honda's widespread service network and affordable maintenance costs make this bike an even more attractive option for buyers looking for a long-term investment. To conclude, the 2025 Honda Shine 100 stays true to its roots as a practical and efficient commuter bike while incorporating subtle upgrades to enhance its overall appeal. With its refined design, fuel-efficient engine, comfortable ride quality, and Honda's legendary reliability, this bike is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an economical and hassle-free daily ride. Whether you are a first-time rider, a working professional, or someone who needs a dependable two-wheeler for city commuting, the Shine 100 is a fantastic option. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Honda Shine 100. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more detailed reviews of the latest motorcycles. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Shine 100 and if you would consider buying one. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.